How to buy Netflix premium subscription on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can buy Netflix premium subscription on your iPhone. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get the Netflix premium subscription on iPhone, you will not be able to get the premium from the application because iPhones does not support in-app browsing. So what you need to do is you have to open up your Safari browser, and then once you come to Safari browser, just go to netflix.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. You want to go to netflix.com. Now if you have not yet already created a Netflix account, just tap on the sign in button from the top right hand side of the screen and then just enter your phone number or email address and then try to go ahead and then create your account. But if you've already created your account, then in the sign in page you just need to simply enter your email address and password. So let me go ahead and then simply choose my email address as well as password. Once I've entered my email address and password, all I need to do is just tap on the sign in button here. So once I enter my email address and password, it will ask me to finish the sign up process, as you can see. So all you have to do is tap on finish sign up, and then you need to enter your payment details. So what you have to do is simply go ahead and choose your plan first of all, and then tap on the next button. Now you have four plans. Basically you have the mobile plan, and then you have the basic plan, you have standard, as well as the premium ultra HD plan. Depending upon whichever type of plan you want, just scroll through it and then find the option called next, and then just make sure to tap on it. Now once you tap on next, you have to select your payment method. So you want to use a credit or debit card, or whether you want to use PayPal. So I'm assuming most of you are definitely going to go with credit or debit card. You just need to select it, enter your debit card's first name, your last name, your card number, as well as the expiration date, your CVC code or your security code. Tap on the I agree button over here, make sure to agree to the terms and conditions, then tap on the start membership, and then you'll be able to successfully watch Netflix. And that's all it takes to buy your Netflix premium subscription from iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.